Hey everyone, brand new tooling from Diecast Promotions. We have a 42-foot Demco sprayer trailer and a slick looking blue and black 379 Pete to go with it. Let's dive in. Okay, here it is. Let's take a look at the packaging real quickly. You have 602077. This was run by DC Toy Trucks, blue and silver. And here's all the other deets about this, but we're going to get in depth. Something a little different about this run over other DCP trucks that I've bought. Most of them come in packaging where you have the clamshell comes together from the sides rather than a top and a bottom like this. So that's kind of neat. Helps protect the trucks a little bit more, I think. You have this piece of plastic which supports the trailer, and then you get a blue fifth wheel plate cover along with an extra set of mirrors just in case. Now let's get onto this cab. You have double headlight grille. You have turn signals in the fenders, which I thought was a little unusual. Normally, you have single or double round with the turn signals here in your fenders rather than the double square, but you know, whatever. You have a really nice shade of metallic blue here with the black Seminole stripes and then black on the top of the cab and the sleeper. So pretty looking. This is sharp. This is pretty. You have black bands painted on your tanks, the straps there. And then you've got a new fifth wheel plate cover. I have not seen this before, so that looks really sharp. Double hump fenders, nothing too fancy there. And then you got your airlines and then your detail on the back of the cab. Stovepipes to make you happy, and an outlaw visor to make it look even sexier. And then your 5 lights with the air horns. So, and last but not least, yellow engine to drag this thing around the farm. But here's the real winner of this deal. This is the new 42-foot Demco sprayer tender trailer. This has got a gray frame, and then you have gray ladder, accents on the tanks, and just a really cool trailer. I have just been really jacked up looking at these all evening as I do these evaluations. You have low pro tires on the back. You have Demco branding all over this, which has kind of been really neat. You have it here on the frame both sides, up here on the cage both sides, back of the gooseneck. These cabinets underneath here, that's pretty cool. Mud flaps. You got all this neat light detail on the back. Just, yeah, I'm just pretty stoked. You've got a cool mixing cone. You have your engine, pump, and banjo valves right there. You've got really cool plastic hosing underneath this, or simulated hosing. These are actual plastic pieces that were attached to the trailer, while underneath here, inside the frame, those are cast into the trailer, and those are painted black. But over here, that's plastic, and then all down the side, you have more plastic along with on the side of this tank. So that's just kind of neat. Pretty darn cool. This is actual metal in that cage, by the way, so if you're going to keep your chemicals inside, you can lock them up, and you have metal mesh, which is just a really nice little detail there. On the tank, you've got these work lights. They went over there, so at night you don't have to worry about falling off your trailer. And guess what? If you stumble, you can grab that hand grab there, and you got steps to get yourself up and down that trailer, which is pretty cool too. These fenders over here are pressed into the die cast from the sides, and then the tanks, it appears, are screwed in right there and there, along with there's total of 4 screws holding different parts of this on, and I can't tell how these axles are held on here. Not that you're going to take them off, but you know, you have a couple of screws there that probably hold this piece of plastic right here that the tank is sitting on, and then bet you've got more screws there which hold the tank actually on. I'm not real sure, but it looks cool. I mean, I guess if you want to take it off, I guess you could and do something else with it. Totally up to you, I guess, right? Yeah, so there you go. If you want one, I would suggest you go out and get one. There were 500 of them made, and I was told that Demco took a bunch of them, whatever that means, and that's just gossip anyway, so take that for what it's worth. But nevertheless, I'm a broken record in these evaluations because I always say if you like them, go get them. Don't delay, because once they sell out, the price just goes crazy. And right now they're I don't even remember. You can get them at rockinghfarmtoys.com. I have a limited supply of them. Go buy one and we'll catch you next time.